Good morning. I hope you guys are all well. I woke up kind of late today. It's 12 o'clock right now. I've been up since like 11. One of my friends called me and I was like, oh my God, I have an interview to do with I believe it's called the National Association of Black Journalists, and this specific chapter is in Miami. So I'm going to be speaking regarding monetizing my brand as an influencer and how I partner with other brands to make money off of my content. So that's literally in an hour. So I was like, let me get up and get my life together and do my skincare routine. So I'm starting off with Drunk Elephant's Be Intensive Hydration Serum. And I'm going to use Fresh's Youth Preserver Moisturizer to start my day. But all in all, this is like my first morning back home because I was away in Florida for a week with my family from St. Croix. And we were just having a good time because my cousin got married. And so we stayed a little bit longer after the wedding and we're just like enjoying time with each other. So it was sweet because I was able to see them and spend time with them. And to be honest, I really didn't even want to leave, but I had this interview to do on Sunday and I have content that I have to create. And my birthday is on Wednesday. So I was like, you know what? I don't really have anything specifically even planned for my birthday. So let me get back so I can get my life in order. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm trying to get back to my routine. I don't know about you guys, but like I was praying this morning and that was one of the things that was on my prayer list. By the way, I'm using these eye gels by Patchology, which if you follow me on Instagram, you see how often I use these because I swear by them, to be honest. They literally relieve the swelling that I have in the morning from just having like puffy eyes or, dark eyes from looking at the screen the night before. I don't know. For me, they work wonders. Not every eye gel works for me because I've tried eye gels that don't work for me, but these eye gels work. And I think I have a code. So I think if you put in Sully, Sully, or Sully G, one of the two, you'll get, I think it's like 15% off. It might be 20% off. I'm going to put it in the description box. I'm going to find it and put it in the description box. But it's worth checking out if you need eye gels. And these ones are clear. So like you can't even, they're not super distracting. You can see them, but they're not super distracting. So what was I saying? Hey, what was my train of thought? Oh. I was in prayer this morning, and let me just move this for a second. This is my problem with this camera. So I have the Sony ZV-1, which I love my camera, don't get me wrong. But the only two problems that I have is one, it's a very close camera, which I bought a wide angle lens for, but whatever, the thing that sticks to the camera, I lost it or I don't really have it, and so I need to purchase it. I'll probably just purchase it on Amazon. But also, it's not stable, so I feel like it'd be so shaky, especially compared to the iPhone, which I feel like has a great stabilizer. But I say all of that to say, I was in prayer this morning and I was like, God, I need you to help me because I feel like anytime, like when I'm home, all is well. The lighting is going to change. Sorry guys, I had to get all my makeup products and I didn't want to be moving back and forth with the lighting changing and stuff like that. But what I was saying was I do a great job at like having a routine here at home, like waking up in the morning, doing my skincare, praying in the morning or journaling or just, spending time with God in whatever way I do that. But as soon as I go away or I leave, go on vacation or something, all of that goes out the window. And then I just be like, dang, I can't wait to get home so I can like get back in my routine. When in reality, God is not just limited to my apartment, like I could be doing this everywhere I go, but something happens where I don't know if it's that I get distracted or I'm with other people. And so, when I'm awake, I want to make sure that, I'm talking to them. I don't know what it is, to be honest. It's also the fact that I probably sleep in a lot more. So by the time I get up, I'm like rushing through the day. But I ask God to really like reveal to me how to do a better job at that because, we need God every single day in our lives. And I know for me personally, I feel the void when I'm not like in his presence daily. And so I was just trying to figure out like, what is that? Because I wake up and I do my skincare routine, right? I brush my teeth every single morning. I take a shower every day. So why is it that I'm forgetting to spend, not forgetting, but just like not spending time with God while I'm away, So I don't know where I was going with that. Oh, I guess what I was trying to say was I did that this morning and that felt really good. Just getting back to the swing of my routine and being home and, you know, reading the Bible and praying and all of that. Not that anyone is taking me from that. Again, it's just really a me thing that I need to work on. But say all that to say, I'm getting ready now. So we have I think 45 minutes to get ready. I haven't had any breakfast just yet. I'm hoping that I'll be able to just drink some tea, and then after I finish the interview, I'll eat something because I'm not super hungry. So this is going to be real chatty. I'm sorry if this ends up being long, but I got back, I got on the plane yesterday to come back home, and I fell asleep on the plane, right? But I woke up because the plane kind of dipped a little bit because it was approaching New York City. And oh my gosh, when I tell you, y'all, I threw up on the plane, and I'm not one to throw up on a plane, but what happened was when the plane dipped, I woke up and then my stomach felt weird. So I'm like, dang, I don't know what's happening. And then my mouth gets watery. I don't know about you guys, but when I have to throw up, I go through certain things. My mouth gets watery, then I feel like I can't breathe, and then my ears start ringing off. So then the lady was speaking on the speaker, and she sounded robotic, and so I knew that my hearing was off. And it was knocked because I had to throw up. So I was just like, you know what? I need to get out this seat and I need to throw up because I'm going to be embarrassed if I have to throw up on the plane in front of everybody. And thank God I did not. I went into the bathroom gracefully, threw up, rubbed myself on the back, and came back and all was well. But it was just really weird because, you know, it's not like I wasn't feeling well. I was totally fine. I did have McDonald's at 4 o'clock in the morning the night before. I think my body was just done. Because while I was away, I was just getting happy eating all kinds of things that I do not eat when I'm here. Like candies and fast food and just stuff that I don't eat. So I think my body was just yeah. But that's probably all TMI. I'm sorry. I do want to go grocery shopping because I don't have nothing in my fridge since I've been gone. But guess what? So where I live, there's a Whole Foods and there's a supermarket. But I love Trader Joe's. And so I've been traveling to other Trader Joe's locations because there just has not been one in my neighborhood. And listen, y'all, when I tell you God answers prayers, I'm not saying he's answered it for me specifically, even though I'd like to think so. But they're opening up a Trader Joe's 2 blocks away from my house next Thursday. And I am so excited because I just feel like I'm going to get into a better cooking routine. I'm going to have more groceries in my fridge. It's just gonna be good. So a part of me wanted to wait until Thursday to buy groceries, but I'm like, Suli, that's ridiculous. You need to cook and you need to eat. So I'm probably gonna do that today so that I have a nice start to my week, and I'll buy, groceries to sustain me through at least this week, and then I can go shopping at Trader Joe's. I can't even believe this is gonna be a thing. 2-3 years ago, I went through kind of a difficult time in my life, and I felt like I went through a depression. It was more so I was really just getting up to go back to sleep because I didn't know what my purpose was. I wasn't really looking forward to anything, but there was this one YouTuber who I have a relationship with her now. Her name is Jade Kendall. At the time, her name was Lipstick and Curls, and she would do curly hair tutorials and videos and just share her life. And I literally would wake up and just wait. I knew she posted on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 10 a.m. or something like that. So I would wake up looking forward to her videos, and then I would go back to sleep, right? But that got me through a tough time in my life, but her showing up consistently made me feel connected with her, made me feel like I had a relationship to her, and it ultimately brought me here because she was the only person I watched. And so I learned everything I know because of her, and that I could never say that she's all about herself or she's focused, because the things that she talked about really got me through a tough time. So I think that when you create content and show up consistently, you relate to people and connect to people in a different way that it's way bigger than a lipstick or a makeup product. It has a lot more to do with life and lessons and stuff like that.
You that got me right there. You really touched me hearing that, and I hope she's heard this from you.
I told her.
No, that's good. And you know what? That makes all the sense. And even if some of us don't get to the point where we monetize our social media, I have gotten those DMs where people have said to me,
Okay, so we just wrapped up on the interview with the National Association of Black Journalists, specifically in the South Florida area, and it was really, really good. So I don't remember if I mentioned it before, but this interview was really just talking about monetizing your brand on social media and how we got to the point as, you know, being able to do so. So it was myself and then someone else by the name of Abibi who spoke on that. And it was just so good. And it really just reminds, I love doing speaking engagements because it reminds me of why I started, and like, you know, I'm not nearly as far as where I want to be. Let me put this down. Yeah, so it just reminds me, like, you know, I'm not nearly as far as where I want to be just yet, but I am a step in the right direction, right? And so these kind of things just remind me of my why, apart from like cool beauty products and bomb natural hair products, but really just impacting people and just operating in purpose. So thank God for that interview. I'm so grateful. And now I want to record, you know, now that I have makeup on, I want to record a few videos if I can, some YouTube videos. So I'm thinking about doing that. And then I have all this stuff that I need to finish off. So I have some products that I want to send to my family. I sent a box of products to my mom last week. So now I want to send some products to my family. And I need to clear out this entire room, y'all, because between all the traveling I've been doing back to back, and then between the PR packages, I was supposed to do like a PR unboxing. My hair just doesn't want to stay up. I don't have a scrunchie. I was supposed to do a PR unboxing video, but I had so many. I had like over 20 boxes. It was just so overwhelming, and I was like, there's no way in the world that someone's gonna sit here and watch all this. So I just opened some of them. I do have some new boxes, so maybe I'll do a new video on that. But I need to clean up this mess that I have here. And so let me show you guys this mess that I have going on here. So here are the products that I took out of the box that I now need to like organize and make a place for. And I also have some products like this Charlotte Tilbury box here that I really want to use. And then I have this stuff, but this is the box that I'm supposed to be sending to my family. And so I have to make sure that I do that. But then there's this, right? There's like all my luggages, and then this that I was using to film a video. So I just need to organize this whole section so that I can record in peace. And then, you know, this is just like my area. Look, I always laugh because when I'm on like videos and stuff, I always try to make sure I look good up top. You know, I got my earrings, my hair is done, my makeup is done, I got a watch, a blouse, and then you look at the bottom and you're like, Suli, what in the world? If I was to walk outside like this, I would look like a hot mess. But yeah, so first of all, I haven't even eaten, so there's that. I just thought about that right now. I need to put some food in my system, and then I need to do all of these things that I'm saying I'm going to do, and then I need to watch Money Heist and Insecure because I'm 2 episodes behind, or 1 episode behind, and on Money Heist, I'm just completely behind, so I'm probably gonna do all of that today. So yeah, let me get started on that, and then I'll get back to you. Chinese food. Oh, it's raining? Is it raining? I ended up cleaning the studio / beauty room that I have as opposed to working on videos because I was waiting to order my food and then I was on the phone and I was like, let me just eat first before I start recording. So my food just got here and I ordered a salad from Sweetgreen, which if you don't know about Sweetgreen, I'm telling you right now, Sweetgreen is the business if you are into salads. And I know they're not in every city, but if you happen to have a Sweetgreen by you, it's bomb.com. So I got a garden Cobb salad. They didn't put egg in mine. You see? Now I gotta tell the people on Uber. No, I don't like being that person that gets refunded their money, but I feel like that does make a difference. I knew it. I'm like, there's something missing in this salad. Hold on a second. All right, we're done eating. The food thing happened. I was like dogging my salad, so I was like, there's no way I'm getting on camera showing this. But that salad is bomb. It was the Garden Cobb. If you ever want a salad from Sweetgreen, I recommend the Garden Cobb. I recommend the one that has, there's another one. Dang, I don't know. The Garden Cobb is my favorite right now, so I recommend that one. But yeah, so let me show you guys what I did in the beauty room. I was able to organize my things and I still have a little bit more to do, but look, no more mess on the floor. I just have to put this away now and then obviously put these things away. This is the unboxing that I'm probably gonna do a video for. And then this is the box of goodies that I'm sending to my family. I'm hoping to send it out by the time this video is up, so let's see if it gets done. And then obviously I'm charging my batteries and stuff here. And these are like new products. So I have this situation here, which is like a bunch of products that I've opened. Most of them I've opened, which is why I don't send them out, because I feel like if they're open, I can't send them out. But these are new and I haven't tried these. So I want to put these out here. So at least that way it's a, you know, like a visual reminder of like, these are all the things that you need to try because you haven't tried them yet. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna try and do. That's pretty much that. I feel like it was pretty productive. I didn't record any videos, but I did get a lot of other stuff done in the grand scheme of things. I'm probably gonna cap this video, this vlog situation off because I feel like I've been chatting for a long time.